How to check your rank on Bigo Live. Open Bigo Live, tap on the Me at bottom right corner, right under your username and profile image. You will see your level, your ranking. It could display the global country category rank. Some versions let you tap your rank to open daily or weekly leaderboards. See how you compare with other broadcasters. And here is the pro tip. Watch those leaderboard early. Top streamers often get featured on the homepage or banner next day. And that's it. Your streaming rank in a flash. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more smart tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.